Hello everyone, today I'm gonna unbox these things and give some first impression, because like this one is Asus ROG GL503, especially like this one is Strix Hero Edition, and I just bought it like 2 days ago from the marketplace in Korea. Okay, this one is cost around 1,029,000 won, so like in US dollar it's gonna like 915. This one is quite cheap, but like the one that I buy specified like for Core i7 8th generation, and then without SSD and only hard drive and 8 GB of RAM. I also buy Samsung 970 EVO. This one costs 95,000 won or around $84. That's why it's quite cheap for 250 GB. So let's unbox these things. You know, like this one still in seal. You see in here there is still seal, so I'm gonna open it for the first time. Oh, okay. Okay, we open it like this. So inside of these things is like this. Oh, with the ROG the laptop itself, it's quite heavy. Oh, okay, with this type, okay, it's plastic, and there's nothing in here. Okay, what is it? Okay, in here like you get some stuff. G series. Okay, it's like quite guide, but okay, everything in Korea because like I buy it in Korea. Oh, you get nice thing like for keychain. So you get like CD driver. Like since I don't have optical drive, I'm gonna download it from the internet, from the website, and so like you get some sticker here. Like you get some so big power adapter. So this one is 90 volt 7.7 amps. Okay, with our OG mark. Maybe like it's gonna good like if you put RGB also in here, right? And also power adapter, Euro plug. Done. It's like this inside. So this is the things. If you see, like this is plastic only. Okay, like in the number pad, it's quite good and stiff. It's not really a lot of flex. So the reason that I buy these things because like previously I used Microsoft Surface Pro 4, but like it has a screen line, like there is a lot of line in the screen. Whenever I use it for quite hard tasks, for example like video editing or some movie, sometimes it's like the lines, it's become covered all of the screen and I cannot see anything. Actually this one is a defect of the Surface Pro 4. You can see everything in description below. You can see why it's happened. So I suggest all of you like don't buy any Surface laptop if you're gonna use it for maybe video editing or something. First time I buy that things, I use it like only for reading article and some light Photoshop and everything. But these days, because like I start my YouTube and then I do some vlog in my another channel, then it start like that, and whenever the processor become hot, it start to making line like that. Even in some cases, some people put their Surface Pro 4 in the freezer to make it cold. That's why don't buy that things, especially for these days. The Surface Pro, it's hard to repair. Everything is soldered, you cannot repair anything there. Okay, the another one, I forget to unbox these things. So this one is Samsung 970 EVO, because since this one doesn't have SSD, only hard drive inside, I need this one compared to my RAM, because the RAM is already 8 GB. I'm gonna upgrade it later, but not this day. But for first time use, I need SSD for these things. So this one, the SSD. Next things to do is open these things. Also, the reason why it's cheaper compared to the another laptop. Maybe I consider this one is cheaper. First, like I got like discount in that marketplace. After that, this one doesn't have Windows pre-installed. I need to install it by myself, everything. Also, since you know, like in my university, I got Windows license, and also they put like double tape in here. No purpose of buying Windows in my opinion though. So let's open these things. Oh shit, doesn't have screw in here. So how I'm gonna put it these things. I hope they give me screw. Okay, I get another compatible screw in my screwdriver tools. So I'm just gonna install these things then. So for installing, you're gonna need just put like this, put it there. Okay, for these things, you see, you're gonna have two USB type 3 in here, and also HDMI, and then display port. You have display port in here, and then Ethernet and power. And in here you have one USB 3.0 or 3.1, and then in here like 2.0, one Kingston lock, and USB-C 3.1. Now like I'm gonna install this PC. So here it is after installing Windows and everything. So you can see in here like the Cinebench score is for CPU in Cinebench it's around 1088, and then for OpenGL it's around 94.32 frame per second. And also like the hard drive that I installed, so the SSD it's around 3.4 gigabyte for read and write, around 1.5 gigabyte. And also like when I test using the AIDA 64, you can see like in here, you know, there is no throttle at all. Even the statistics says during 1 minute stress test with the AIDA 64, the minimum is around 40 for CPU and the maximum is 67 for CPU. So it's like didn't throttle at all. So thank you for watching this time. I think like that's all for my unboxing and first impression of Drix Hero Edition GL503. And then I think I'm gonna make a review of these things also in next video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you later.